whatever. Each vehicle that goes up the assembly line has a bill of materials or a birth certificate. These technicians know exactly what they're building on these cars as it moves up the assembly line. So if it's going to tell them it's a stage 3 that's requesting red stripes, and if it's going to get red or black brakes, all that is in the bill of materials that goes with each vehicle that'll travel with it. So every technician will know exactly what parts to put on, as well as the line next to it is equipped with everything it needs line side real time. So we know ahead of time what vehicles go off the assembly line that day. They will have all the appropriate parts right next to them to pull off and put right back on the vehicle. And we have a team that will come on and load the line side for them to keep the line moving smoothly. So you'll notice there he's pulling off the wheel and tires. Like I said, a lot of the chassis work will happen here. The powertrain is a specialty area, so that actually happens up front in the corner, and we'll walk past the powertrain. So anything that's going to get a supercharger, which on the Mustang side is a stage 3, once it's done on the assembly line, will go to its own technician, and an individual technician builds the powertrain upgrade on it. Any of the suspension components you see are blue. Blue is synonymous with Roush. We have the blue suspension parts here. Our brakes are red, or we also have a black option. So if you look under any car, if you see the blue suspension components, those are Roush components.